Fire Salamander. The fire salamander is one of the most recognizable species, with its distinctive black body covered in bright yellow or orange spots and stripes. They're found across Europe and parts of Asia, living in damp forests and woodlands. What makes them special is their defense mechanism. They can secrete toxic compounds from their skin when threatened. These salamanders spend much of their time on land, but return to water to breed, making them semi-aquatic. In many European cultures, they're considered symbols of fire because people used to find them near burning logs where they were seeking moisture. Tiger salamander. Tiger salamanders are among the largest land salamanders in North America, reaching up to 13 inches long. They have dark bodies with bright yellow or orange stripes running down their backs, resembling a tiger's pattern. These salamanders are incredibly adaptable and can be found in grasslands, forests, and even deserts across most of the continental United States. Unlike many salamanders, tiger salamanders are more terrestrial and only venture to water during breeding season. They're known for their aggressive hunting style, feeding on insects, small reptiles, and even other salamanders. Axolotl. The axolotl is a unique salamander that never fully grows up. It remains in its aquatic larval stage throughout its entire life, a condition called neoteny. Native to Mexico, these creatures have feathery external gills, a wide smile, and come in white, ink, brown, or black colors. Axolotls are fully aquatic and spend their entire lives in water, unlike most salamanders. They become extremely popular as pets because they're relatively easy to care for and can live 10 to 15 years in captivity. In the wild, they're critically endangered, existing only in a few remaining lakes in Mexico City. Spotted salamander. Spotted salamanders are medium-sized amphibians found throughout eastern North America, recognizable by their dark bodies with 2 rows of yellow or orange spots running down their backs. They're primarily terrestrial, living in forests, woodlands, and grasslands where the soil stays moist. These salamanders have a fascinating relationship with algae. They actually allow green algae to live inside their egg capsules, which provides oxygen to the developing embryos. They spend most of their lives hidden under logs, leaf litter, and rocks, only becoming active during spring breeding season or after heavy rains. Newt. Newts are small salamanders, typically less than 6 inches long, and are found across Europe, Asia, and North America. They have smooth or bumpy skin depending on the species, and many display bright warning colors like orange, red, or yellow. Newts are semi-aquatic, spending part of their lives in water and part on land. Some species, like the rough-skinned newt, are highly toxic and use their bright colors to warn predators. Newts are popular in the pet trade, though many species are protected. They can live 15 years or more and are known for their ability to regenerate lost limbs. Lungless salamander. Lungless salamanders make up the largest family of salamanders, with over 300 species found primarily in the Americas. The name comes from their complete lack of lungs. They breathe entirely through their skin and the lining of their mouth. These are typically small salamanders, ranging from 2 to 8 inches long, and they're fully terrestrial, never requiring water except during breeding. They're found in diverse habitats, from tropical rainforests to temperate woodlands, living under logs, in tree bark, and in leaf litter. Despite their small size, they're incredibly important to forest ecosystems as they consume large quantities of small insects. Red-backed salamander. Red-backed salamanders are common lungless salamanders found throughout eastern North America, identifiable by their bright red or orange stripe running down their back against a dark background. Some individuals lack the stripe entirely and are called leadbacks. These tiny salamanders, usually only 3 to 4 inches long, are completely terrestrial and breathe through their skin. They're found in moist forests, hiding under rocks, logs, and leaf litter, where they hunt for small invertebrates. Red-backed salamanders are unique because they don't need to return to water at any point in their life cycle. Their entire development happens on land. California newt. California newts are medium-sized newts endemic to California, featuring bumpy skin and a striking appearance with orange undersides and dark brown or black upper bodies. During breeding season, males develop smoother skin and brighter coloration. These newts are highly toxic, containing the same poison found in pufferfish, which they use as their primary defense mechanism. They spend much of their adult life on land in oak and redwood forests, but migrate to breeding ponds and streams in winter. California newts can live over 15 years and are an important part of their native ecosystems. Climbing salamander. Climbing salamanders are small, agile salamanders found in Central America and Mexico that have adapted to life in trees. They possess specialized toe pads that allow them to climb smooth surfaces like leaves and bark, making them uniquely suited for arboreal life. Unlike most salamanders, climbing salamanders lay their eggs on land in moist environments, and the eggs hatch directly into miniature adults without a larval stage. They're typically small, reaching only 3 to 5 inches long, with slender bodies and long tails. These salamanders are rarely seen by humans and remain one of the less studied salamander groups. Hellbender. Hellbenders are one of North America's largest salamanders, reaching up to 2 feet long, and are found in fast-flowing streams and rivers across the eastern United States. The name Hellbender comes from folklore, with various myths about why early settlers called them such an unusual name. These salamanders are fully aquatic and breathe through their skin and loose folds of skin that increase their surface area. Hellbenders are sensitive to water pollution and are considered indicators of clean, healthy waterways. Siren. Sirens are aquatic salamanders found in the southeastern United States that retain their external gills throughout their entire lives, similar to axolotls. They have long, eel-like bodies with small front legs and no hind legs, making them look more like eels than typical salamanders. Sirens are completely aquatic, living in swamps, marshes, and slow-moving waterways, where they hide in vegetation and mud. They're carnivorous and feed on small fish, insects, and crustaceans. During droughts, sirens can enter a dormant state, buried in mud, waiting for water to return, a survival strategy that allows them to survive harsh conditions. They have flattened bodies, wrinkled skin, and reduced eyes, all adaptations for life on the stream bottom.